Understanding Monsoon Spells, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, monsoon spells. This phrase is not just about weather, but it's also a great example of how English can paint vivid pictures with just a few words. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Monsoon refers to a seasonal wind pattern that brings heavy rains, especially in South Asia and Southeast Asia. When we say monsoon spells, we're talking about periods of time during the monsoon season when these rains are particularly intense. It's not just about the rain, though. This phrase can also evoke feelings and images associated with the monsoon, like the sound of rain, the smell of the wet earth, or the feeling of relief from heat. Now, let's see how you can use monsoon spells in everyday conversation. Imagine you're talking to a friend about the weather. You might say, "Looks like we're in for some monsoon spells this week." This not only communicates that heavy rain is expected but also carries the cultural and emotional weight of the phrase. English is full of phrases like monsoon spells that beautifully describe natural phenomena. For example, April showers in Western contexts refers to the typical rainfalls in April. Understanding these phrases not only helps in language learning but also in appreciating the cultural nuances of English. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, monsoon spells, and its use in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the culture and emotions those words convey. Keep exploring and using new phrases in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!